Okay, this video is going to be about some old maps. We found a collection of old maps. Most of them are from the 50s, 60s, 70s by National Geographic, but this one is not. This one is a reprint of a very old, back when the, we have New Mexico right next to Louisiana, no Texas there. We've got lakes of Illinois. I think we call it Superior now, but Huron, Erie, Frontenac is what we now call Lake Ontario. I'm probably destroying that pronunciation. Lake Champlain is somewhere here, right in the middle of the screen. Sorry, there's a blurry spot because of my light. But that looks a lot bigger. That's almost as big as Lake Erie. And if you've ever been there, Champlain is not that big. Okay, we'll pause the video and go to the next map. This map is from December 1976 in the National Geographic magazine. It's in very good condition. Looks almost only a couple years old, so it's been stored well. But it is of the Great Whales, and you see talks about different places where there's whales and habitat for different types of whales. Talks about fin whales, gray whales, bowhead whales, humpback whales, right whale. There's some talk about the blue whales, but I don't know where it is. I don't think they have a picture of a blue whale. And there's some stuff about the whaling, and they talk about how they're trying to discourage whaling. But I'm going to pause it and go to the next video. That should have been going to the next map. This map, also from National Geographic, was from October 1967. And we've got Indian Ocean floor. And so it's got different things that are going on. It has elevation, different spots. There's a mid-oceanic ridge. There's Madagascar over there. I guess Seychelles might be part of... No, Seychelles is not part of the mid-oceanic ridge. Got India up there, Himalayas, top, Arabian Peninsula. You can just see how deep the Rift Valley is in the Red Sea. Up here we got lowest point on Earth's surface is around the Dead Sea. So yeah, very interesting map. We'll go to the next one. All right, this one is Pacific Ocean floor. It is from October 1969 in the National Geographic, and it's not in as good condition. There's some parts where it's torn in the corners. This has the Marianas Trench. Hawaiian Islands go way above the ocean floor. And Australia, New Zealand, Japan. A normal map doesn't tell you how deep the water is and how some spots, like the Sea of Okhotsk, is only 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet deep. And then you got the Sea of Japan, appears to be much deeper. Deepest part of the ocean is in the Marianas Trench, somewhere like right here, 31,700 feet deep. Now there's a 3,200, 36,198 is world's greatest ocean depth, the south end of the Marianas Trench. So we'll pause and go to another. Okay, this next map is Africa in 1990, December 1990, from the National Geographic magazine. We've got Europe near the top. I think that's mostly the same, although there might be some changes because of the Yugoslavian war. Over here we got Israel, Syria, Iraq. A lot of that's the same. Cairo, Egypt, Sudan. Zaire is now got a new name. It's now called something else. But a lot of this has not changed much since 1990. other than maybe Yugoslavia and Zaire. And they're not big differences. And this one is Australia in 1979. And again, I don't think much has changed. Probably towns have grown bigger. And I'm going to pause and go to the next couple maps. There's a whole stack of maps coming, so probably 20 more maps if I got the time for it.